Hey guys, what's up? I'm at the airport. We're waiting because our pilot hasn't reached, and we're going to start this double feature of Insta Live very soon to launch Uchiye Building 2.0, and we've got a very special guest with us, someone who's leaving for a first schedule of rehearsals for Saho.
Hello.
So I don't know where Tapsi is. I don't know where she is. So she's also going to join us soon on the double feature of Insta Live. 1 second. Start. Just comment. Say hi. And then I'll join. Okay.
Comment failed to be posted. If you all do that, I'm
Sorry. Hi, what's up? Hello from Canada. What's up, Canada? Lots and lots of love to you guys. Sanchita, what's going on? Thank you so much, Indonesia. So, as soon as you comment, I'll see it and I can add it. Okay.
so irritating. Yeah. But so then, no. They got to know once I came here. They told me also right now. Are you there? And
Yeah, I'm not showing up.
where are you?
Hi, what's up? Love you, I love you too. We're just trying to sort out even Tapsi's Insta Live. There's Tapsi looking very, very pretty over here.
Now you realize, Varun, you just compliment.
Saying it on camera.
He only says good things on camera, by the way. For everyone who feels that Varun
that's
Dhawan is very, very nice and endearing and all that, he only compliments on camera.
It's really not true. You can ask Shraddha, she's in a no makeup look.
Hashtag no makeup.
By the way,
Hashtag no
Hasina
makeup.
is out really soon. Hasina is looking really, really good. It's got a very good friend of mine, Siddharth Kapoor, also in it. And Shraddha Kapoor, both brother and sister, ganging up for the first time
I'm
ever.
with the Judwas.
And we are with the Hasina. We are with Hasina over here.
We are with Mrs. Parker.
Actually, you know, this is very interesting because
missing
she started in the south and now she's coming here. And Shraddha is going to the south.
south,
For her,
yeah.
your first south film.
It's a multilingual.
Multilingual,
Yes. So it's going to be short.
But she's worked with Prabhas.
Yeah. My second film was with her.
How,
I'm damn excited.
How was it? Even I would be excited to work with
I'm
Bahubali.
damn excited.
Bahubali.
How is it working?
It's his first Hindi film and my first Telugu film.
Her first
So it's
Telugu
pretty
and his
cool.
first this thing. And by the way, Judwa is a remake of an actual Telugu film. The original Judwa.
What are you saying?
Yeah. Hello,
I
brother.
didn't know that.
Hello, brother.
Oh, you were actually a proper part of Judwa. Your father was, your brother was as well. Only you were.
And also I'm one
You
of
were too small.
but
She had auditioned for a baby's role.
I'm one of the biggest fans of Judwa.
What's that? What is this locket you're wearing, Shraddha? By the way, I'm very upset.
This is the airport look.
I'm very upset with Shraddha because I haven't met her in a very long time.
Please.
And I dub near her house. And every time I just speak to her, they say, yeah, मैं चाय पी रही हूँ, हाँ, मैं चाय पी रही हूँ. ये हर शाम को चाय पीती है, पर मिलती नहीं है मुझसे.
Oh.
But I'm very happy to
Because
have
he
met
makes,
her.
one sec, I like how you're complaining to them, so let me also complain because he makes no plans with me, so even I'm complaining about this. Zero plans he makes.
So we were supposed to do this double feature, but I don't think Tapsi wants to try.
Sorry, guys.
Even going on.
Whoever's like, I'm still stuck. I'm trying to log in, guys. The login is not happening. Can you just?
But we are trying. We're going to try one more time.
Like, यार नेटवर्क बहुत खराब है इंडिया के.
एक last time try करेंगे.
मैं एक बारी एयरप्लेन मोड में ऑन करके.
We're going to try this one more time. So many hearts from Sunil Godavana.
Sunil is giving you hearts.
Hey Shraddha,
That's very weird.
Born Angel has said. Hello भैया, कैसे हो भैया?
भैया.
Jio, Varun Jio.
Jio,
I
Jio.
like Jio network. It's pretty good. Ratish, what's up?
Very nice picture I got
Working.
of y'all.
Thank
We're
I
looking
will
like, you
also
know,
put it on my Instagram.
I love you.
Okay.
I love this three-way promotion that we are doing at the
एक
moment.
तीर से मल्टीपल निशाने हो रहे हैं यहाँ
अब उन्होंने
पे.
लगा दिया.
Hello,
So
people.
Say
On
something.
Varun's
Say something
Instagram.
about Hasina since it's coming out now.
So Hasina's coming out, but I'm actually going.
Arey, oh my God, sir, आ जाओ. Okay, so this is very exciting because we've got Mr. Irfan Pathan also here.
Oh my god.
So we were doing a Insta live. Please sit. So this is a very big opportunity.
Union.
Very very big fan of sir, obviously. Sir, आप किधर जा रहे हो?
Good luck to Judwa team.
Thank you sir. Sir, श्रद्धा की भी फिल्म आ रही है हसीना.
हसीना पार कर रही है
हसीना
वो 20-30 सेकंड
30 सेकंड.
ये इसमें नहीं क्या?
नहीं बहुत मजा
ये एक्चुअली इनके इंस्टा चैट पे हम दोनों भी आ गए
हम सब उधर ही जा रहे हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच मेरे पोस्ट कर
Oh, she's joined us. Tapsi may have joined us, so let's see if this happens now.
just see.
This is really some. Sir, बैठो ना.
सर बैठो
Where you going, sir?
मैं जा रहा हूँ विशाखापट्टनम.
Oh.
ये हमारे सीनियर है. वाल्मीकि घोष और
Oh, hello sir. How are you? Pleasure meeting you.
Really wanted to have a picture with you.
Yeah, yeah.
I think I saw you, but I didn't see you guys coming. I was just watching.
ओके
Found yourself?
No, not as yet.
कैसे चल रहा है प्रमोशन?
ऐसा crisis of the network right now.
Listen, you're on this. I'm just letting you know.
No, I'm not on this. I am trying to get. Listen. Okay, is this still on?
Is it on? Sure, let's see. Oh, it's on. Stop. See.
Okay, guys, is this still on?
Y'all just stop.
Okay, so we are going to finally launch Uchi on an Uchi building in GT Mall in Jaipur. So hang on with us, climb on with us. We're going to go really high for this Uchi building, and let us know how you like the song. बाकी अभी और कुछ मेरे दिमाग में आ नहीं रहा है पूछने को क्योंकि अभी आई एम लिटिल नर्वस टू सी हाउ योर रिएक्शंस गोना बी. ओके गाइस, one of his movies and it's his phone. I'll probably just go back and start seeing his messages right now if I hold his phone for longer. So okay, bye.